The child's back for a video. You guys know what that means, right? ThredUp Fun Box. Hey guys, I'm Kay and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and this is Liv. This is my daughter. She usually does the Fun Box unboxings with me, except for the last couple, but I am bringing her back. So I have a Fun Box here. It's, I think, supposed to be 10 pieces and shipped to my house with taxes. It's about $40, so roughly $4 an item. I have this one right here is from Phoenix. I think I have another one over there that's also from Phoenix. So we'll see. Let's open her up, shall we? Here's my little receipt. Oh. And here is what the inside looks like at first glance. So, you wanna go first? No. Okay. All right, well, this to me looks like a towel, but I don't think it is. It is from J. Crew. Originally $54.50, marked down on clearance to a whopping $4.97. So yeah, this is J. Crew Factory from Holiday 15, and it is like a brown and navy blue knit scarf. Not really the right season, but that's fine. Your pick. Ooh, a graphic tee. Invisible? Nope. You gotta put it more in the middle, down. And there we go. It's a Hard Rock tee. Hard Rock Cafe where? I should say on the bottom. Hollywood. Oh. What size is it? Extra large. Cool. Can definitely sell that. Okay, we have a Nike Studio men's headband. Original price was $18. It's one size, so yeah, I can either list this for a few bucks or maybe throw it in a men's mystery box. I knew it.
Those are upside down sunglasses.
Put them on.
I'm about to. They're gonna fit. Oh yeah.
Stylish.
Mm-hmm.
Do they have a brand or anything? I don't see anything.
Doesn't look like it.
All right. Just some random sunglasses. All right. I got a Noir scrunchie. It doesn't have a price on it, but it is leopard print. A little leopard print scrunchie. We'll probably just keep that and use it. You're up.
Tight!
Nice. We like always get tights or socks.
Literally every time. Leg impressions, printed tights, one size.
They have like crosses on them.
Cool.
Oh, I've heard good things about these socks, but I never gotten them before. Bombas socks. One pair purchased equals one pair donated. It has a B on there. So they're Invisito Performance Footbed Honeycomb Arch Support System. They feel really nice and like thick. Y-stitched heel, extra long staple cotton, and a blister tab. Ooh, this must be the blister tab. They're a size small, so probably won't fit me, and I don't even think those will fit you. But here they are. I have heard really good things about the resale value of these, so I guess we will try them. Your turn. Surprised you didn't want this one. Leggings?
Uh-huh. I don't even think I can pronounce this, but here's the brand. There it goes.
Size large? Looks like on the other side.
Yes.
High-waisted
Shaping leggings.
Cool. So like a generic Spanx, I guess, kind of. They're just black. Yeah. Ooh, they have like a rubbery texture inside the waistband, probably to help them stay up. You can kind of see. That's not bad. All right, I got a belt. It's not real leather for sure. I don't see a brand. Grupo Inditex. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of got like a medallion style closure, belt buckle. But yeah, very cheaply made faux leather belt. They're the same, so.
Okay.
And then?
Some golden nugget adjustable bracelets.
Oh.
And apparently they're purple, but they look very much, I should probably take it out.
Or just show this side that just doesn't have the sticker.
Oh yeah, that's a better idea. They are apparently purple, but they definitely look blue.
I see purple.
Where?
What do you mean where? The whole thing is purple. Okay, yours looks more blue, but this one looks purple. But yeah, it's just a little bracelet. You can't really see that. Do you want this one or this one?
That one.
This one? Yeah. All right, so I'll do this one. This is a Coach wristlet. It is very dirty. I don't know if I can save that, but it's definitely very worn. The signature Coach print. The inside is also dirty, inside the pocket. I mean, the leather inside is fine, but yeah, it's pretty gross. So I don't know if I can maybe try to clean that up somehow, like go over it with the Tide pen. There's a dime. I'm rich. Sweet, thanks for the 10 cents, ThredUp. So yeah, I don't know if I will end up listing this. It depends on how clean I can get it, but not bad. Last item.
I believe this is a pajama shirt, but I could be
Or
wrong.
a pajama dress. It's pretty long, like a night shirt. Where'd she go? She's gone. There's like a sticker. 052. I don't know what that means.
Mahogany, size large, Ashley blue nightshirt.
It feels,
It's like tablecloth material.
Yeah, no one wants to sleep in a tablecloth. All right, let's count them up. So we got that as 1,
2, 3, 4.
4. We'll count those together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 with the scarf. We counted the 2 little bracelets as 1. What's your favorite item from this one? I think mine is the Bombas socks. Feel them, like they feel so nice, like structured.
Yeah, I'd probably agree.
All right, well, let us know in the comments.
Oh wait, no, I lied. My favorite item is a dime.
You're a dime. Every time. But anyways, let us know what your favorite item was down in the comments below, and let us know what you thought of this box. We're about to go film another one. We'll probably be wearing the same clothing. So there it is. It's Easter Sunday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Easter. This isn't going up on Easter, but nonetheless, the sentiment remains. So if you enjoyed this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. Usually it's just me, but from us. And if you're not already subscribed,
Do so now.
yeah,
Please.
please consider it. We would love to have you here in this weird little family. that we share with you on the internet. So I hope to see you next time. Bye.